Hello and welcome to a brand new video. And today, last video I showed you that I showed you how to download Vroid Studio. Now I'm going to show you how to open it and use it. So after you do the extract all and stuff, whichever one you get. If you get zip, extract all. Once you have extracted all, you go over to Vroid Studios. Now, Vroid Studios, double click on it and click on Vroid Studios. So that's opening up now. Since it's opening up, and not the best, and okay, yeah, that works. Okay, so pick whichever one you want. I'm just gonna pick this for no exact reason. Now it's a pretty basic avatar maker. Dang it, it's not responding. Frick. So here we are. Now once you're in here, you can see there's eyes, eye shape, hair, body, clothing, general, and camera and explorer. It's not the best, but it's really good. It's gonna take me a few seconds just to get in here. Here I am. Now, it's basic, like I said, but here we go. You can customize. Once you're done customizing, go to camera/exporter. Face, hair, and body editor. Why is my thing like that? I don't know. So now you're here, and how to export. This is just random things. Export, and then click on the export button. It will do this, name, whatever, author, whatever. Now you don't have to do any of these, just click OK. Now it will process, name it whatever you want, and save. Now I already have multiple avatars saved. And like last video, once it's saved, you go here, you go inside 3Teen, click here, and then you add your character. Let's go over to desktop. It's not here, but you do have to put it in desktop, sadly, or documents, whatever works for you. Documents or desktop, which is really not hard. So that's how you, and then if you watch the other video, it will be linked in the description, and that's how to use Vroid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and